also this girl don't need an excuse to clean. She's up there doing it for no reason anyways. The one thing this girl isn't going to do is going to let anybody sit on this freshly cleaned bed. When I tell you, after those cloth lines are done, you can't even stand near her bed. I want to sit down and have a gossip with you, okay? What does she do? She makes me take off my outside clothes before I even enter her room. I actually have my declining bank balance to blame to clean with Daff, but to be honest with you, at least it makes my soul happy. This video back is actually hurting my head because she makes it look so effortless, but guys, she actually puts a lot of effort into this. I love when she does this little thing with this radiator cover. When by thing I mean like this hand thing, because guys, it doesn't even look like this, but the way she edits it, it's like, wow, you are you. Gotta give it to her. I'm watching this and literally taking inspiration for what I'm going to do tomorrow for a Sunday clean. And the clothes mist that she uses here, when you walk into her room, it smells nice. She mopped it already, but as always, she's gonna go over hand and knees because that's just clean with Daff.